Hey everybody, how ya doing? It is me, Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading Thanksgiving at Our House. Written and illustrated by P.K. Hallinan. Hallinan. Please enjoy. And I want to welcome another new subscriber here to my channel. Welcome aboard. And feel free to check out my other videos here I got. And please share my channel out. But again, welcome aboard. Thanksgiving at Our House. I'm glad for Thanksgiving. It's a wonderful day to count all the blessings that friends bring our way. First, there's my family. We're friends, trying true. And every Thanksgiving, our friendship shines through. We nibble on pancake as we watch the parades. We dress up like pilgrims and Indian braves. And we like to pitch in with Thanksgiving meal, from carrying berries to carting off peels. And we keep a close eye on the whipped cream and pie. Then come my playmates. What a wonderful crew of happy companions, and so commercial too. We like to go hiking in the brisk morning breeze. We dive in a pile of colorful leaves. And sooner or later, we're certain to play a game of touch football, running every which way. And when we're all done, we collapse from the fun. Then I have neighbors, my friends on our street. We usually bring them some treats they can eat. It's warming to see how they light up and smile. Then invite us inside to chat for a while. But with eyes on the clock, we go back down the block. And soon come my relatives, great friends, one and all. Happy Thanksgiving, we all cheerfully call. Then our living room wheels with hilarious squeals till we race to our place for Thanksgiving meal. And it never is long before we break into song. Later that day, as we saying goodbye, there's one final friend who catches my eye. My trusty dog, Rusty, is sitting at my feet, impatiently waiting for a Thanksgiving treat. But I know he's been fed, so I pet him instead. Yes, Thanksgiving offers some wonderful ways. Today, appreciate friends that brightens our day. So I'm grateful for blessings that just never end, but mostly I'm thankful for all of my friends. Yep, Thanksgiving's always that way, huh? I hope everybody out there had a wonderful Thanksgiving and a good one, and let me know if you had a great Thanksgiving. Give me a big thumbs up. Can you do that for me? Smash that thumbs up button to show me you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'd love to see that if you could do that for me. Just curious if you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And please subscribe to this channel. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a fantastic one, everybody, and take care.